try to destroy those walls, which are not just the walls that you find in those ugly offices, but also in the digital remote working, okay? Because the silos are still present also in this difficult times.
I'd like to share with you our tips and learnings about how to run collaborative workshops virtually with remote people joining and how to engage them best. So power up and let's go.
I'm going to tell you my story as far as what I've been through, the ups and downs, the curves and sway, to help you avoid my mistakes and at the same time help you transition successfully with some strategies I'm currently using now in my
was the first time I did a transformational coaching seminar that completely transformed my way of seeing life, my way of seeing myself, and ended up transforming my life too.
Type of a scenario, if you could get a handle on sentiment around discussions, what might that say about conversions? Like, could you map a relationship between consumer sentiment and buying patterns?
Yeah.